Hey there, eBay enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online shopping a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to link your bank account to eBay in 2025. With eBay's updated interface and enhanced security features, linking your bank account has never been easier or more secure. This step will streamline your payments, speed up transactions, and give you better control over your finances. Whether you're a seller looking to deposit earnings quickly or a buyer wanting seamless checkouts, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on the latest version of the eBay app or website. In 2025, eBay has rolled out a more intuitive design, so start by logging into your eBay account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, head over to the Account Settings tab, usually found in the top right corner. Look for the Payment Methods section. That's where the magic happens. Click on Add a Payment Method and select Bank Account from the options. eBay might prompt you to verify your identity for security reasons, so have your ID ready if needed. Next, you'll need to enter your bank details. This includes your bank's routing number and account number. Double-check everything to avoid errors. eBay's 2025 system uses advanced encryption to keep your info safe. After submitting, eBay will initiate a small verification deposit to your account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Once that hits, go back to eBay, confirm the amount, and voila, your bank account is linked. If you run into any hiccups, like verification delays, check eBay's help center or contact customer support. They're super responsive. Pro tip: always use a secure network when handling financial info to protect yourself from scams. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully linked your bank account to eBay in 2025. This simple process can save you time and hassle on future transactions. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.